G'day guys and welcome back to the channel. This is AK and today I'm going to be taking you through a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment in the San Lucas neighborhood of El Poblado. San Lucas is a Estrato 6 neighborhood. If you guys don't know what that is, in Medellin they have all the, sub-neighborhoods classified between 1 and 6. 6 is the wealthiest areas and 1, would be the lowest income areas. So this, San Lucas, is in the most wealthiest section of Medellin. Here's a wonderfully renovated kitchen. You can see that someone has really been in here and made it a beautiful space to cook. This apartment is 158 square meters with a nice high ceiling design that makes it feel actually much bigger than 158 square meters. We're looking at the laundry room here. And we swing back into the kitchen. Love that open plan living and into the dining area. Plenty of light in this. I love all the white. Makes it, obviously with the high ceilings too, make everything look really, really big. I mentioned that this place has 3 bedrooms, but it also has a study. So you can actually convert the study, which we're looking at here, into another bedroom if you like. But currently it's a study and work area. The location is great here. It's really close to shopping centers and restaurants, gyms, everything that you could want, while still being far enough away from the busy part of town that you can still get some peace and quiet. Speaking about peace and quiet, this place has soundproof windows, and not that this has anything to do with peace and quiet, but also has air conditioner, which is really good in this day and age when with a bit of global warming, the temperatures are a lot higher than they used to be in Medellin a couple of years ago. Also, if you're wondering why there's so much natural light in this apartment, it's because there's 13 soundproof skylights that have been installed as well. And in addition to the soundproof windows, the front door is also noise resistant. So this is the perfect home for someone that just loves a bit of peace and quiet. I'm going to be telling you a little bit about the building itself. This is a very low density building. It only has 8 apartments total. This one is a top floor unit. It also comes with 2 parking spots and a large storage room. There's also daytime concierge service, which operates 6 days a week, which gives you that added security. And we're going to swing back into the corridor and we're going to look at the final bedroom, the biggest one of all, I believe. This one also has plenty of natural light and it has its own ensuite bathroom, which we're going to look at right now. As always, if you like the look of this property, you want to schedule a visit, or you want help finding something else that better suits your requirements, then just click the link that we'll left for you in the description and in the first pinned comment. Fill out the form to let us know exactly what you want, and someone from our team will be in touch to help you out.